NDCfuo ye ti we dodo. NDC aban omo ye ti we for dodo. Take it or leave it. 50 man penny ni ministers MPs and one way to Abama NDC ni omo nyina ye ti we for momone wontie wu empty head hwi ni won adwenem o wo ye nkurase fon tete kwafo nso sai kon wa brabo ho NDC aban eye musu de magana NDC aban bai se wo ba be twe Ghana san keke oni bibi papa bia ye magana wo by 10 months so getting to 1 year mon kire me ade ba ko nyansade bia NDC aban etimi aya magana ade na mutie wu saa ade na mabon saa nyanse woman ne when say opeka say o pump billions of dollars just to stabilize the Ghanaian currency where Jimmy we yakwasia wadwene ne wonyansa wen wontimi fight dollar nyanse bia so nim say obeka say o fight dollar enkosi aga entini nyansade bebre wo hɔ yɛ we ye ma ɔman no nyansade bebre wo hɔ yɛ we ye ma Ghanaian citizen enye fighting of dollar ne ye do buy say brabe fight dollar mo Jimmy dodo me ka kire masenye sesudia se wobetimi aye nia opese wobetimi aye ama dollar ene Ghana cedi abeye pe emfa so bia mbre Ghanaian citizen emfa nyansade bia mo manim wobetimi aye ama $1 abeye 50 pesos e wo Ghana still emfa nyansade bia ama Ghana magimi yankwase afododo me hu followers no NDC kwase anko before no bola goose awon so wontie wuwu omanim tefutefu se nantwinam egugu apo eso aban baba papa ya tete dollar so ya moye nkurase fon tete kwafo magimi and that is the truth me say dollar NDC di meye pe emfa hwe emfa so bia ambre Ghana ni da aban yi bai se osesa wa he 100,000 Ghanaian youth akọ Serbia akọye adwuma wotie nyansa woye kwase anti wote dase abrana me wo se NDC fo kwase afo no ene na mo ebose yesesa ya akọ Serbia woye kwase yiye wo check Serbian currency ansa na ubose no wo the one Serbian dinar ekọ wo friend then $1 eba Serbian dinar ni ma 101 kwasi ampeni $101 to Serbia no eye 101 Ghana currency no enye Serbia currency no kra fe ene Ghana currency no enti sanka Serbia ni na ote wono no we jimia so no de upompi billions of dollars ede atwen for friend den dollar na ba form we ni kroma anka kwasia ubetumi aka se o se 100,000 Ghanaian citizens ase won ko Serbia nko ye adwuma nyame kanu nyansani pe na beti ase wo Ghana ni no currency no e wo high esen Serbia wo de wo friend den 1 Ghana cedi e ko Serbia ubenya 8 Serbian dinar enti wo Ghana ni Serbia ni no hwan kra na nka se e ko no yonko krom ko ye adwuma enye Serbia ni na nka se ba Ghana kwasi ampeni wo na wo se wo currency ni ye strong no wo mo wo se sa wo manfo akọ Serbia se won ko ye adwuma na kwasi Serbia ba ni tie wu ti se wo e no no ode na ahoden nyina ise otwe dollar ba forma and can economy ne be strong ama wo friend den waka se wo se 100,000 Ghanaian citizens say youth se won ko ye adwuma we Jimmy build a strong economy near or mindful here policies and yet dollar oba be twena san emfa hwe mbre Ghana 2007 kufuo SSR currency no $1 90 pesos e wo Ghana and on that wo hia buburo so then emfa so be na de bre Ghana just recently 2010 2009 2010 2012 for na dollar almost 2 cedi e wo Ghana then fa so na de bre Ghana fo emfa so be na de bre Ghana fo just say Jimmy Seven na me the dollar ba single digit and I me the dollar you see emfa so bia magana fo emfa so di biara emma my name Jimmy Sem near my important things where say we ye bagana fo ho to won and ye dollar obetwe asan ma Jimmy dodo.
Ghana is planning to send 100,000 workers to Serbia. Is this an opportunity to bring a better life to Africans, or is this another example of the exploitation of the continent? Let's talk about it. But first, the backstory. Ghana's foreign minister and Serbia's minister of labor have been in advanced talks to relocate 100,000 primarily college-educated Ghanaians to Serbia to join that workforce. Ghana's idea is that those workers would be able to work at a higher wage in Europe and would then be able to send money back to Ghana where it goes significantly further. So why is Serbia doing this? The primary negotiator is Marko Duric, who believes Serbia needs more diversity if it wants to survive. His reasoning is that women in Siberia only have about 1.4 children on average, and countless men have left the country to pursue higher-paying jobs in Western Europe. So their population is on track to fall under 4 million within a few decades, whereas Ghana has a growing population with more educated young people than they have jobs for. So on the surface, this makes sense for both sides, but here's where I think this is a problem for Ghana. Imagine spending decades raising and educating a population, only for the brightest of those young people to leave and contribute to another country. And even though the young Ghanaians are college educated, they will likely be employed in fields far below their skill level, which is typical in Europe. So imagine a biologist working as a security guard. And lastly, if the problem was that there
NDCfuo. Ya tu abawi ya busumi duni. Ana na monkrofo mo honya akono kakere. Ese wo mo a ebo machi dom se prere se hororo no. Wo mo kure bre papa chen ye MPP fo. Ese NDC amamu yi MPP fo mana ho ayefe. Ene ese NDC fo no a bre tempenten kwa no. Wo ho ya na ye tan akwa ba ku bi o so yo organizer wo NDC mu mikuru mu a enu a mi hu no pa busuafo ni hu fi pa ese kubu na me come site yakwa medwan no busa me se me ho tesai na we na ni ase nche na ese kan ma ba tan a wa da asore NDC fo mo ma munkrofo no ho nya akono kakra no mo bre no aba beba pa wo bebre se die se ne wotena wo ba bi dwena wo kora nkamfa so so ana ya ne ka no wi asim wa mo adwen anya dwuma ene tambia wo body no bre wa wakoye campaign hu a ho aye bawe ya wa ye tantantan se achinchinan eye ma wo na mo de untumi na mo twe na bo so na anam de ni gina ha ochina anam de ni gina ha no ti ochi untumi nko atuma na galamse na stop wana ono nko ana eye na ye de ye nka hweo ade mu ye ni nyina hu video ho na bre na saban na sesa wo nua ni bi a ye frɛ ni Ibrahim Mahama the same adwuma na no ye na said ye wia ye no said ye wia ye saa ni nsu nso be ye the dura ye be hu obakwase bi obeka se na MPP board na ni asi NDC fo so mu NDC fo bebre jeje dobro salary o se de be de be akatua mo ho mprenu amjeje na na do de chem na saa case we nyina nya de betwem da ba wo mia beba no saa case we nyina be kwa akofa aba na wona mbi se mu bedam akobon kokora e wo nsanwom na mu ha de amapiri ho te mu de mu ye wuntumi no de mu nkoso na monye akutimi akoto aba ma aban sesa aba ma aban aba mo kura mo brechen MPP fo hwe kai